If you have a house that you need to sell that needs work, kind of like this one, I'm the guy to buy it. These sellers reached out to me, and this house needed landscaping, it needs paint, it needs carpet, it needs countertops. It was full of stuff. And this is an example of my favorite homes to buy. We're putting in new floors, we're gonna paint it, we're going to update all the lighting, the doors, everything. The backyard needs a lot of love. But what I was able to do is find out how much money they just want in their pocket to just walk away from it. And we closed on it. They left everything here and only took what they want, and we handled it. So if you have a house like this or know someone that does, my team would be interested in purchasing it. I own Latham Realty over here in Washington State, and I've bought and sold over 2,000 homes in the last 22 years. Some people just have me list their homes and sell them because they're in great condition. Some people have me put my own money into their house so we can sell it for more money. And others just want to walk away and be done with it. So this is what we do. We help people achieve the outcome they are looking for. So if you're looking to get your house sold or figure out how to just get unstuck from this burden, give me a call or text me directly at 425-345-4920 or send me a message here through Messenger. I look forward to connecting with you. God bless you. Have a great day.